Easy, whoa. Hey there, friend. Come! Stop on by for a moment. The name's William.
Arthur.
You familiar with the study of plants, my friend?
Familiar ain't quite the word I'd use.
Well, let me tell you. This great earth beneath our feet can provide everything man ever needs. But we've only reached a tiny bit of its potential. You see, there are thousands, maybe millions of plants all across this vast country we share. The mountains, the plains, the swamps. I mean to explore them all, to know all of nature's bounty and all of her wonder, if I can.
Sure.
But I'm only one man. Would you consider helping me with gathering herbs for my studies?
Why?
Knowledge, kindness, beauty.
Well, I'm ignorant, ugly, and nasty.
Well, let's see if maybe we can do something about that.
I'll see.
I'm looking for a plant called yarrow. You can distinguish it by its red flowers. It shouldn't be too hard to find. They thrive out in the open under direct sunlight. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, yeah. I feel better already. They were right. This stuff does have medicinal properties. You've been helpful. Thank you. You're a horseman, I know. You'll want to have this. Save it for bad injuries. Heaven forbid your horse is in trouble. You'll be glad you had it. Now, if you don't mind, I'll be getting back to my studies. I look forward to our next meeting, traveler.
I can see why you do this. All the best to you.
Thanks, Arthur. And to you.
Easy there. Wait a minute there. I need to have a word with you. I ain't here to cause trouble. Get out of here! I had enough of you. It's all good. Calm down. Yep. Easy, girls. Now, hold still, girl. Yeah, here you are, girl. Get! Well, at least it ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just no good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, eh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You're threatened by me.
Threatened by you.
Yeah, my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Oh, well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall. Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John, on the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am, and it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses, love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so. You planning on getting us there any time today?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
Ah, you're a funny fella, John Marston. And what folks say? You had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
They're left here, towards Rhodes.
Boss, I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing them.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire. And look at me now, in the Gunner Sea. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dog, please.
Not this again.
Fine, damn you three. Sulky, angry, scar-faced. A right barrel of laughs. So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jumping. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast, take charitable donations, and make sure everyone behaves. Little Mr. McGuire, you focus on the baggage car. Grab any valuables you can find. Shoot your mouth, get a bullet back.
So, what are you doing?
I'll run point. Keep an eye out for outriders and the law. Help you three where I can.
All right for some. Cherry picking, I call that.
We'll be out in the middle of nowhere, so it'll take a while for any word to get to the law. But here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Yeah.
Let's get it on the track. Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good. I need to get up there. Finish up here and join us on board.
Go on! Get on there! Hey!
Bastard. All yours, Captain. Go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and nobody will get shot. Go! Everything you got. Money, valuables. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
I don't want to get hurt. I'll do anything.
No, please.
I ain't got nothing. You want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
Please don't hurt me. I don't want to get hurt.
It ain't worth
I'll do
dying over.
anything.
Tell him, Mr. M.
Oh, don't do it. I'm begging you.
No! Why do this?
Come on! In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming, don't be shy.
Don't help me!
Please!
People like you
Empty
make
your
me
pockets,
sick.
mister.
You seem
Be
to
on
think
your
we're playing
way.
games.
I'm gonna count to 3. 1. God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be over.
Gentlemen,
You're getting robbed, mister. Give me everything you got.
I'll do anything.
Tough guy, huh? No. You sure about that?
Don't hurt me.
You show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here. You deal with this fella, will you?
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Right you are.
Everything you got. Money, valuable.
I need all your
We
money,
ain't
my
leaving till this
friend.
bag's full.
You got a big problem.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Please stop.
Par pitié, je vous en prie.
Don't make me hurt you. Cut in now, son of a bitch.
Come on, cuff it up, people. Don't be shy.
Money?
Everything
Nothing
you got.
else.
Let's go.
Don't make me hurt you. Pay me what you got, mister, and you won't get hurt.
Don't molest me, please.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. None of you folks move a muscle.
You're getting
hear
robbed,
me?
mister. Give me everything you got. What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
Probably something in here, Arthur.
Fuck's sake! For fuck's sake! I'm sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up!
Need some help here, boy?
I'll meet your brother.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny. I'm gonna have a right old lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's 2 arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
All right, in that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only 2 of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the 2 of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Last chance. Drop your weapons. There, unload on those sons of bitches.
Look out on the left. Here come the friends.
Coming through the trees, you see them?
I'm trapped here. Stop in the name of the goddamn law. Get rid of them, quick. Make a run for it. Almost got you.
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses!
You've come to barrel.
Come on, boys! Let's get the hell out of here! Let's go, Arthur! Come on! Mount up, Morgan! We gotta go!
Let's go. Easy. You're okay. Right, let's lose him. Whoa!
Whoa! Ho, ho! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals of the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take. Enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.
Come on, girl.
Move along. Got no time.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
Hey there.
Mister?
Want to stay a bit? That's fine with me. All right. Oh, well, we're calling out for me.
Get it, lady, or I'll break your jaw.
You better keep at it!
You goddamn peaceful, boy! Ah! Hey! Are you crazy?
I'm still locked in here, please! Please help! Please, 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 please break the lock! I am begging you, please! Break me free! Let me go! Let me go! I can't believe you've done this to me!
You come with us now, and we won't shoot you. Don't even think about moving.
You chucklehead.
Get your goddamn hands up, or I will shoot you.
You're dead. I'm big.
Oh, thank you! Maybe I know something you find interesting. My way of... Why are you toying with me like this?
Go on now.
Don't let that SOB get away! Hold away, dang it! I'll make you beg like a little girl.
Damn it, he's slipping away.
We're getting too far. You're gonna pay the price for law breaking.
Do that, folks.
Can I help you?
Let's do it.
That makes me real hungry. Thank you.
Good morning, mister.
Morning.
Whoa! That ain't where you need to be. Why the hell you acting this way? Bye now. Want to buy something? Thank you so much. Next time. Hey, watch yourself.
Keep it moving!
News you wouldn't want to miss. Right here.
Wow, long time no see there. Well then, have a look.
Now, let me have a look.
Good. Mm-hmm. Good then. Keep browsing. Still recovering from that day.